Hi, I'm Chaffee Tran, Stratasys Director of Materials Product Management. You've told us you want more material options and the capability to control your printer parameters to meet your manufacturing applications. To address those needs, Stratasys created the Open Materials ecosystem, giving you access to print with materials developed by third-party suppliers, as well as materials you formulate in-house. You'll also be able to adjust print settings to optimize your results with those materials. This capability is enabled through the Stratasys OpenAM software. OpenAM includes the license and the software tool needed to edit 3D print parameters. Using this software tool, you can adjust printer settings with the materials you use to tailor print results for your particular applications. The benefits of an open system using OpenAM is that you'll have access to more materials with the capabilities required for your specific 3D printing applications. It also widens your supply base, so you're not limited to a single material source. An open materials ecosystem brings more diverse materials into the marketplace faster. And combining system openness with the predictable, accurate, and repeatable performance of Stratasys printers expands the application space for 3D printing within manufacturing. If you're interested in learning more about OpenAM or purchasing an OpenAM license, please contact your Stratasys representative.